Korea Miri Imbe Nation Shiki, Pötun Lotona Chungdang Korea, Jedi Chibe Nyambalia, Sensinarona.
My guest today is Sehu.
Diring anzu country di Rochester Tholop nang lobnyi jimi Sehun Kimin rashtele.
Tujiche.
Tell me, you organized
Chilngi dong chupshi daw chukji kegi Tholop nang bedön legu shik zamdu. De kor nganzo robzam songdang.
Tell me a little bit about it.
Well, it started out as a plan to
Te tangpo ngonzik chedun dendare tangpo lobchen nang de bodun ngocho chene ngonzik cheba yin.
help the university community to think about what the
Lobchi chezo nang de pötye nadun serwa de kanda yemen ngocho cheba yin.
involve
Dene tin nang la pöba gyapcho wa pö memang chintu chokme tang tadong pöja ni je kola chenke wa shik chang yob. Dendra cheba yin na nganzu di yagu yongkari samchung.
in China and Tibet. So that was
So who was the
Zenju bimi jitu supebyo na.
it was
Dene chintu karma ishi la tang dadun shalin la namba ni re.
and another parliament member Dharan Shalingla. Yeah.
and you also had
Beyu nekya bimi kashe nyamshu nang barebe.
Nepal.
Yes.
Re.
Legu de nang gan nang yoba nganzo robzam songdang.
So the event was to basically introduce all sides.
Lenga dene jertang bodon la chuk yong ne ngocho cheba shik re. Dene pöjin za chak ne tang ngocho cheba yin. Perna omi lam chi sichu tang rangchen je ndolo. Dadong gyana tang pö gyakar je panjur je ne tang yang ngocho cheba yin.
And so
Nga chi samna changma judor la nyamshik chena maung ba khongchi chawa khare drip thamen ji ko la samlo tong re phan thokore samchong. Chawa de chong yang dingsang sanjur nang de khoji yo ba tendra mayen bar. Deli jamba chawa khare chi thumen la samlo tong re phan thokore samchong.
that's some things that they hear about in the media. So that's why.
And what kind of
Kiranzu lobro ruka de garen nang yobare.
student body?
Well, the participation was, I would say, extremely diverse. Some were
Nyamshuk jenkan rig namban ha chore. Kashi na ha chang gabu chigdo. Kashi na ngo thombe son ra wundo. Kashi na lochop jigendo. Yina yang dongi se changma nyamshuk cheba de na doni chanchik chasong.
participate. Every single one of them, actually. It was actually pretty significant. Yeah.
I understand you had
Kiranzu Tholop nang yanak ne yimbe gyari lobro mangdashi yobatang. Konzu lengyu denda shik tongdu samzu ganda shik chungyo na.
Surprisingly, it was pretty positive.
Yamchen chi guba shila khongso yakpundu. Ngi khongso yakpundu serwa de khongso gawo chewa tang gapsi chewa tenda mare. Khongso yakpundu serwa de na khongso nyamshuk yakpo je song serkeyo. Der masa khongso nang ge mi chik yar lang de gaji shene gyami kyuma tang phemi kyuma mangpo nyamshuk chewa ina shiwi go ni thudur che de zanshu shunggi menha tang japcho wa mangpo nyamshuk cheba la sop chewa ina gange se thupgare se.
etc. This issue can actually be solved. So
Deyang chudang suji chani shege yo mare de midang miwar jin dewe chani shege yo re.
action. So it was extremely significant. Yeah.
So you think that
Kerangi choba na wa ina gyari lobro dechu legu denda shik tongdu han sanggu jungsong gonggu duwe.
Yes, of course. And
Dundu
majority of them, I would say,
yina yang mang chewa tendi yime mshi de khongche bome phe chewa khate rangli pare samge yo re. Wonchang khongchu gumi lam tang rangchen don khan tang saku de sumge panjur je ne tang de so godu khongchu yamchen jigindu.
independence, many of them actually, and also about the economic situations of
Kashi ji tatung ngala labayina khongchu ti kola shimjuk cheji yinse.
many of them. Actually,
Kashi ji phönange nichu jesel la sonne yinchum ja cher chin song ser kindu.
they said that it sort of broke down a lot of boundaries for them to sort of explore more about the Tibetan issue. So it was pretty.
So how did you
Kerang bedön la ingde thoma ganda cheni leba inam.
Well, it started out with a simple research in China.
Tangbo de lo mangpu kong la nge janak ke ko la lobjong che du wuji ko mangpu yong ge du. Kapder nge wuji ko shedak singme.
And my knowledge in Tibet was just was really little back then. So, but as I studied more and as I delved,
Dene nge wuji ko la shimjik che du janak la wuji chudang rigjong ji shikjen mangpu tebe ba nge ha go song. Chapsi ji shikjen yang kang la kangsep temdu.
in terms of also politics to a certain degree and culture, etc., etc. So it was pretty significant. I even
Janak shi go na wul sawur shi go jindu. Wuji rigjong de tok kang ni shongwa yin ba tang wuji ngu mantra wa te kang ni shongwa yin ba ha ko ge jindu. Derten nge wala tonang shi wa yin. Nge wuji ko la shindu shongwa tendra de.
the identity itself from. So I think that's how I came across the Tibetan issue.
And now you have upcoming.
양
Miss
중규
April.
기진의 시베 낭 ngarle minda we pedun legu식 pecha yobate kandare.
Tell us a little bit about it.
Well, this event itself is pretty special. We are planning to
Linggen de na mix ji ling ge yin. De la wo ji region ram tun she jin. De ne lob ji che zog ji shenang cancer yo bi men ma ka tang ne. Wo ji ngo wo tang region ka yo ba ngo chu sha ji yin. Wo ji region ram tun she bi ga chi rang jin de ka re se na. Ma se yin na yang na tun ka yo mi sa ur ma shi na yang. Wo la tu ji sho ji de dam bi ngo bo de de sem la tan yong ge re. Der ten nga chu ngo bo mang bo ndam tu she ji yin. Ndam tun char wi ji la de ne nga chu do lang she ji yin.
there will be a dialogue event that'll follow by, but a little bit to going back to the culture event, we will also have
Deni region korshana da dong nga chu yakar ji shapru ra khayang yo de mingla ra che star ra se jin yo re de no nga chu che chong da la region na mang yo ba chun che dang wo me se na yang chwa me ba dang shi wi che de zhu mo xian do yo ba dun bi che de yin
constant dialogue through nonviolence. Yeah.
And you told me before we sat down, actually, yes.
계산 계란 기 주든 라 다버 베리 투데 중원 된소 다데 베게 내든 라 스갑 심슈 차바 더비 소라 중독 이나 양 계란이야 공수 면잡아 시기에 송송 대간다래.
Well, you know, it wasn't necessarily easy hearing something like that from them. You know, some
ma kha shi ji den da sha pa go wa de den di le la bu shi tan ni ma re ma kha shi ji re re wo la rang rang ge wa re wo nang ge ne tang tang wo jin di wa ji log de dong go ser jin yo pa re won jang kong chu sem shu de ne da ti cha la kong chu ga re she go ma shi wi cha shi la lem do
to, you know, what can actually be done. And they also had a lot of problem with the fact that, you know,
yang don dog jan shi sha na wo mi nang kha la yang man tham ba mang po yo pa re yin na yang nga mi ger chi cha ni sha na na tun ga re yin na yang lu tong ji yo pa ma re sam chin de
but personally for me, what drove me to this point was that, you know,
je sok gang yin yang pan sum chok ba shi sa wa ni yong ge ma re
honestly, in those societies,
dong yi thog nga chu ka nga de de be che de janak chi bu ma yin ber zam long yong se wo ji je chong de ne xie se nang se shi yin ba tun ge jin de
not just to China, to show the world that the Tibetan society
der ten ni wo tun de nan xie xie ber lu tang me yim chen de la ten ni nga wo ji le tun ko la nyam shi gang che tap shi ji yin
I didn't give up. I participated as much as I can. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
안줄 내림 나 페바 토지체